about 4:30 this morning, and I'm up, the kids are up, Jamie's dressed and back in bed, and we're just about to head off and take him to his cadet camp. Little lady's getting dressed. Morning, lady. She's definitely a morning person, this one. Oh, where's the little guy? See what he's up to. He's under the covers already. That big lump there is the little guy. Army boots and all is under there. Pretty sure. Yep. Yeah, I think he's been up playing PlayStation all night, so he's pretty tired, but he can sleep on the bus. So yeah, we're just about to leave. It's still pitch black outside. I don't know if you can see outside, pitch black. So we'll probably be leaving in about, I'd say, 20 minutes or so. And yeah, we'll take you on our little weekend adventure. See you soon. Well, we made it with 10 minutes to spare, so I got the kids some Maccas for breakfast. I didn't have any, because I'm doing stupid keto, and all I crave for is a friggin' hash brown, but they're happy in the back, so get them some food. And we're just about to drop Jamie off now. Sorry, I'm bloody holding my, what do you call it, selfie stick and driving, which is highly illegal in this country. But yeah, I'm just about to drop Jamie off, and then I might actually go and see if I can find somewhere to have a low keto coffee or something like that. Okay, we've dropped little Jamie off, and now we're going to have a little walk on the beach, or along the beach, or along the shoreline of the beach until all the shops open, because the shops aren't even open yet. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. I think it's only about 6:45, something like that. So yeah, we're just going to go have a nice walk now. I'll turn you around and show you our view. Just got to make it so it's not so bumpy.
You can smooth it out when you edit it.
Can you? I'm not that clever.
Well, I am.
You're an idiot. That is not a real person. I think I need a coffee. How many carbs in a coffee?
Oh, I just saw a duck go under the water.
You'll probably see dolphins. I sometimes see
there was
dolphins.
One right there where the green thing is.
A dolphin?
Yeah, it just came up and then went back down again.
Liar.
No, I swear.
Oh, there's a duck. Oh, it is too. See? Oh my God, it was too. Okay, how do I zoom? We've spotted a dolphin. It's near that red pole somewhere. There it is! There it is!
I told you.
There it is! Oh my God, that's so cute. We're thinking about what we're going to buy today.
Yeah.
What are we going to buy?
I don't know.
Got anything in mind?
No.
What shops do you want to go to?
All of them.
Rivers? You want to go to Rivers?
Yeah.
I want to go to Kmart and Big W and Target, obviously. Just having a little sit-down coffee. Jessie's got a, what is yours called again?
Berry vanilla chiller.
Berry vanilla chiller. I've got a small soy cappuccino. Never had one before, but it was the lowest in carbs I could find, so let's hope it's nice. Not bad actually. Got a different flavour about it. I guess that's the soy, but it's not bad. I think I actually like that, surprisingly. So we're just going to have our coffee now, and then we're going to move the car and do a bit of shopping on the main street, and then we're going to head over to Settlement City, probably. Yeah, Settlement City, and do a bit of shopping there. So, see you
A little bit.
Target.
I saw that video. That was so funny.
Oh, that's pretty. I like that.
But, who would wear a denim skirt that goes up to their knees?
But that's nice.
But it goes up to like.
Yeah, but it's different. It's a different type of skirt. It's pretty. I like the little frill on the bottom. Oh, that's nice. That's cuddly. Oh, I'd get that if it was me. I like it. See, clearly she doesn't use hangers at home. I think there's a hanger inside that. Has it snapped off? The arm looks weird on that one. Why is this one here? Look, there's something in. Oh, there's a hanger in the arm. Like, what the hell? I thought it looked weird. What's going on? Don't you like it? I thought that's what you like.
It's really.
That's massive. Oh, that's my size. Jesus. Oh, I just realised what I said. That's massive. Oh, that's my size. Oh my God. Well, it's
Do not. So she just dropped all the sticker books on the floor. There's proof. Look, there's proof.
Just wait. No! I love this section.
She's going crazy.
Make it happen. I'm just going to buy my sticker book. Oh! Jeez. Oh my God. Maybe I'll buy some more. Do I need anything here?
No, you don't.
You want me to push it? You alright? Sketching book.
Rose gold.
Where? Where? Oh, these are so good. Oh, smash books. Oh my God. What? Oh, these are so nice. I've actually got heaps of smash books I haven't even started yet. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, not that close. Oh, see what we get the car, I'll piss myself. Oh my God, I just pissed my pants. You idiot. Oh shit. It's a struggle. It's so high and I'm so fat. It's just hard. My life is hard. My life is so hard. You don't know. You don't know the struggle. Do not ever film me heaving myself into the car again.
I remember that. Oh, I need to put my seatbelt on.
Oh, Kmart. Jessie wants the penis plant. You're not having the penis plant. Can you not? I know I don't need another mug, but it's just so pretty. It's like pink and purpley blue and gold, and it's $3 and it's massive, and I love massive mugs. I'm gonna get it. You're an idiot.
Oh my God.
A baby penis plant.
Yes.
I know. They are just horrid. Like, how can anyone have that? That is
I'm
terrible.
filming you. Hey, Mom.
Make sure you get my skinny side.
Welcome. Please your first item. Please place item in the book. If you have a Flybuys card, please scan it now.
These things are hilarious.
It's not that bad. I'm a good driver. You're an idiot.
Whoa. Oh, fuck, not the roundabout.
You're so stupid.
Whoa.
Oh, that was the gutter. Sorry.
Okay, it's cool now. Whoa.
Settlement City.
No. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. What's the point of having no show socks and then putting pineapples all over them? There's no point in that.
What about this one?
The bakery court, they want their rolls back.
So stupid.
I made myself cry.
I peed a little bit. Ready? Big W. Okay, it's not quite lunch yet, but we're starving. So Jessie's got a mixed sushi box and a seafood, seaweed salad, and I've got a sashimi box, which I think would be pretty low in carb. There's no rice, it's just the salmon pieces.
With a few
So yeah, we're gonna tuck in. So we're just at my dad's place now. Gonna go for a little visit, and I just want to show you the size of these bloody kangaroos he has at his place. Just a sec. Excuse my eyes squinting. One standing up is probably about my height, and this one here, he'd be at least 7 foot, or probably at least 6 foot, I reckon. He is massive, and they're just wild kangaroos that are here in my dad's village. Wonder if he'll stand up without me getting boxed in the head. Just try and get him to stand up. They're not really scared, these kangaroos. Like, they don't usually, I mean, you can't go up and pat them, but they're definitely not as wary as most wild kangaroos would be, because they live in the village here. But yeah, that one, the one with the little joey, that'd easily be about my height, maybe a little bit shorter. But this guy, God, I hope he stands up. Here we go. He's going to stand up. He's at least 6 foot.
One for Jessie.
No.
Don't you have the cup?
No. Everyone, this is my dad. Say hi. I'm filming for YouTube. You know how I do YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I put my videos on the internet. You know, the ones Linda always says she sees? Yeah, so I'm doing a vlog today, like just showing them what I'm doing each day, like what I'm doing throughout the day. So yeah, just want to introduce everyone to my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
He doesn't get it. He doesn't understand. No, this is just my camera. It's just filming. Like.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So if I turn it round, I'll show you. So see how you can see yourself, and that's actually recording. See up on the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's my dad. Do I look like my dad? No, I think I look more like my mum, don't I?
Yeah.
She looks more like me, I think.
Oh, she's fit with you.
Yeah, more than.
Especially a butt.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. So we're just going to have a cup of tea, sit down with my dad for a bit, and then we're going to head home, so we let the puppies out.
I asked him, he didn't know how to do that. He went and went last time I went. And he didn't know what I told her. I said, no. It never seemed to be going worse. I can't sleep in it.
What are you doing?
Showing them all your
Why?
photos, because they're cute.
No, they're not.
That's the first year of primary school and the last year of primary school.
It's pretty
Aw.
rough.
No, you don't. Hey guys, well, we're home now. Well, we got home a few hours ago. It's probably about 6 o'clock now. something like that. And when I got home, we just, what did we do? Put some washing on, put the couple of things that we bought away. Jessie bought a few little outfits, or a few little pieces of clothes for an outfit for her birthday. Well, I actually bought it for her birthday. And yeah, we're pretty much, I just went and started finishing off my craft room, which is where I'm in now. You can see behind me. I pretty much finished off all sorting out all the boxes and decluttering it. Then the rest of the afternoon I've been setting up our phones. Oh God, I keep thinking where to look. Yeah, I've been setting up our phones. So I've been setting up my new phone, which is what I'm filming on now. And then I've been transferring all my stuff over to the new phone, and then wiping out my old phone, giving it to Jessie. So that's all I've been doing pretty much the rest of the afternoon. I will show you I'll do a separate video on the little haul that I got from Spotlight, but I'll do a separate video on that, which will be up straight after this one. And I think now I'm just going to make some dinner for everyone. We're just going to make some barbecue pork spare ribs, not the American style ribs, but the more fattier, like spare rib type ones. I don't know what they're called. I think they're just called pork spare ribs. So yeah, I'll be making that for dinner. And yeah, I'm in my Jimmy Jams already, so bra off, Jimmy Jams on, and then I'll be just watching some Netflix for the rest of the afternoon. So yeah, I'll check in again tomorrow. So you'll probably have a 3 to 4 day weekend out of me for this vlog, hopefully, if I do something exciting tomorrow and Monday. And yeah, I'll see you back tomorrow.